As I told you, I'm using the 5.3 engine from the Tahoe. It has a ton of accessories like this power steering unit, and it is covered with rust, which I of course have to take down to bare metal. I have an arsenal of different wire brushes. This little guy here is very useful to get into tiny crevasses, and this guy here do the major job. But like everything else, it's your tools that depends. And when it's finished, it comes out nicely painted like this.